Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jungle Gap here with my pooch, Hazel. Say good morning. Anyways, we're going to be showing you guys how to change the front turn signal bulbs on your 2017 Toyota Corolla. That's what I have. I think it's 2014 to 2019 is the year gap, but for this case, we're going to be working with a 2017 Toyota Corolla because that's what I have right now. So the first reason I knew my bulb was out is because look at this turn signal. You guys hear it? It's a constant, steady pace, but when I go to the right one, you see the difference? Anyways, I'm going to show you guys what to do. So here we have long life LARGA dirt. I don't know, fucking 2 lamps, 12.8 to 14 volts, 7444 NA. I picked these up at my local AutoZone, and I'm going to show you guys what to do. So in this case, I'm going to turn the car off, which I just did. The keys are in my lap. I'm going to open the hood. My dog can stay inside. Put my keys on top. Now what you're going to want to do is open up your hood. There's a little latch. Just put the arm up. So right here, this little thing, you get that kind of reach underneath this black bracket, and you're gonna pull this out. It's a little clip. You're gonna pinch it a little bit and pull it. And so I had the other bulb taken out because I just needed reference on which one I needed. So inside, there's gonna be this little thing with the bulb attached, right? Okay, so you're going to take the bulb. I don't know how to present this. I want to put my phone on the engine, but here's the bulb. Here's that little connector. Put that inside. Put it on the gold end, not this connector end. Then you're going to take this. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to take this connector part with this... this part. I'm going to plug it in. I don't think it does matter. So there's this little side where that clip goes. I'm going to put that here. Alright, you guys heard that snap? Then there's going to be a little hole somewhere down here, right there. I'm going to put this in. I'm going to turn it in a way. I'm just going to put it in there. Alright, twist it. Okay, good. It's housed. Alright, now let's check that out. Let's turn the car back on and we'll see if we're working with gravy or not. Okay, let's wait for it. Ah, beautiful. Okay, you guys see that constant pace? Alright, now let's make sure. I'm going to leave it on. We're just going to see. Ah, fucking beautiful. I'm going to replace this one too, just because they're about the same age. And I have the extra bulb, so I'm going to replace that one. But like I said, it works the same way on this side. This one's maybe a little more difficult to get to because the battery's in the way. But I just twisted it, pulling it out. Hopefully, there we go. You don't have to disconnect it, I don't think, but for this case, I probably will. Okay, now I got the bulb and the connector bit. Take this bulb out. Put the new one in there. Put it in that gold side, like I said. Not the connector side, put it in the gold side. You can't even put it in the other side. And then, like I said, you're just going to connect it. So make sure that little clippy end is right there. If I can fucking do it with one hand, it's a little... Come on, I'm a guy. Come on, we got this. We do that shit. Come on. Come on. One-handed. Push it in. There we go. Hear that click? Alright, so now we're just going to put it back. There's a little teeny hole right there. You guys see it. I know you see it. Now I'm just going to kind of feed it in and then twist it and then house it. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Now just to make sure I didn't fuck it up, I'm going to throw this away. But just to make sure I didn't fuck it up, I'm going to just check it out. Alright, let's make sure. Alright, cool. Now let's just double check both of them by putting the hazards on. Fucking nice. Anyway, subscribe for more maintenance or whatnot, dude. I don't know. So there you guys have it. That is how to change out your front turn signal bulbs for the 2017 Toyota Corolla. Like I said, subscribe if you want more miscellaneous maintenance on your Corolla, and let me know if you guys want me to replace anything else. If you guys have any trouble, I'll try to figure it out. Stuff that's not gonna like require me to take the engine out of my car and put another one in. But yeah, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.